Hello, my digital planning friends. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a plan with me. I know how you love them. We're going to do for the month of April, and we're going to do an Easter theme for April. We're so excited about that. If that's something that you would like to watch, stick around and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. Okay, so we're going to do April, the month of April, and we're going to use the Easter kit. I'll zoom in a little bit for you so you can see them a little clearer. We have He is risen, no bunny loves me like Jesus, a Bible verse, 2 more Bible verses, some background, prayer list, another Bible verse, another background, some boxes, some washi tape, weekend, these are little check boxes, and our day covers. Then we also have some cute silly bunny Easters for Jesus. That one's family time. Happy birthday across Easter. Another happy Easter. Some more just decorative things. And then you guys, most of you messaged me and said that you liked it better without the circles, so we're going to leave them without the circles on those ones. And then these are our emotions and weather for the daily pages. I have another little flower there. Here is our hex codes for if you want to use them, the pens, and then just some words there. So that is what we're going to use. And I personally like to use the Elements collection. So if you didn't know, once you've loaded it, if you click that little box, I might have done that a little bit too quickly. If you click that box right there with a line through it, it will pop it up on the side. And then you can just slide it over. I like to have about 3, and then I make my month calendar fit into the screen a little better. Okay, so let's get started. I think I usually start with the days. For some reason, this kit did the same thing last time. I'm just gonna kind of drop them in. Once I find them all, for some reason, they've decided to load in a little wonky. And then because I have that little circle there where you can use it for like your days on your week ones, I want to go and find that little flower because I want to use that as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fix these up. Now, to make them to the exact shape that you want, you will want to touch the photo button, click, and see how it gives you a little bit more that you can work with. So we can be able to shrink that down just a little bit better, so it fits a little bit better inside our boxes. Now this one's going to need to come over a little bit. I don't worry about them being too perfect, just enough to fit in there without showing a lot of extra white. I just like to play and have fun. I don't worry about it being perfect. So we're going to get all of these. I'm going to move that one out of the way a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in and put that flower over the circle. So I'm going to change that size to whatever size I want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, but I'm going to make sure I copy it off of this the sticker here, because I don't want to copy both of them. And then it's a simple copy paste to cover it up. Because if I was to copy it over there, it's going to copy my date cover as well. Or not yeah, that cover there. Okay, so we got that done. I think that looks super cute. All right, I'm not gonna fill this month in with all of my meetings and stuff. I decided not to do that this month. Let's go ahead and cover in some of this blank space next. The parts that we don't need. Let's see what this guy looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's dragging it in crooked and it looks terrible. But as soon as you tap it, it's going to clear up. But again, we're going to want to go up to our image tool, tap it, and see how wonky that came in. We're going to straighten it right up. And we're going to bring it back down so it'll fill in that entire, nope, I don't want it to fill the entire one because we have one day that needs to get left open, the 30th. Oh, let's move it down just a little bit. All right, now let me see if I want to use this one up here. Again, see how it went super crazy? It's a little better, but again, we're going to go in and tidy it up with our image tool. Okay, you know what? I don't really like that one, so we're just going to get rid of it. And let's copy this guy, because I really do like that flowers. So we're just going to put that up there. But let's see if I can, there we go. Okay, now let's see. Payday. We'll go ahead and fill in payday since it's right there. The 13th is payday. And the 27th. So we are going to pay bills on that Friday. Okay, let's see. We're going to start at the top and see what we can put in. Oh, very neat. It's my birthday on the 6th. So we're going to make sure we put in happy birthday for me. We always have family time on Saturdays, and it's the weekend. So where is our weekend sticker? Our weekend flag. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that in. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller so it fits a little better in there. And we're going to recopy these. Because of the double digit, it didn't fit quite as nice. Okay, let's go in with Sundays is our church day. And I always plan my weeks out, And we take the trash out. So let's see if we can find both of those. There's our trash can. So we're going to put trash can up there so we remember to take it out. And there's my planner. So we're going to copy these. Now I'm going to have to go in because the 9th, of course, is Easter. So I want to make sure I leave room for one of the, move that over. One of the Easter decorations. Let's see. What do we have for? No, I don't want those. I want, where's what I'm looking for? So there. We're going to put, move that guy down here. Actually, I think I'm going to do this one because I really like this one. Okay. You know what? I think I'm actually going to just get rid of the trash can. We know it's trash day. But I just want to make Easter much more prominent. There we go. All right. We have Bible study on Wednesdays. And I could just drag and drop from my thing over here, but I like having them already sized and I don't have to resize them again. So that's why I like to just copy and paste things over. Oh, the dentist. Let's see if I can find the tooth. The kids and I have a dentist appointment on the 3rd at 2 p.m. And the kids are out of school this week. So let's use this one here since it is my favorite color and it's my birthday week. We are going to, and instead of having the flag right there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it, crop, and I'm going to bring that in so it cuts off that part there. And then I'm going to make it big enough to fit in that spot, and then I'm going to make it really thin. We're going to zoom in and write spring break on there. Okay. So we have spring break that week. And as bad as I don't want to add this, tax day is this year is going to be on the 18th, being that the 15th falls on a weekend. Okay, so we got to make sure our taxes are paid by, oh, not tax day, tax day. Okay. And let me see, where's my scale? I have started tracking my weight a little bit more. So I like to have the first day, and then we're going to put it right down here for the last day, beginning and the end of the month, so I know what my weight is. I'm trying to lose some weight this year. And I really think that is about it for right now. Of course, you know, through the, let's see if we can decorate that top a little bit. Usually throughout the month I add more decoration just because I like to play in it some more. I wonder what, I don't think those are going to look good real tiny. Actually, let's see if we just put it there. One of those symmetrical type people. I like to like things symmetrical. It's a little better. Not so white then at the top. I don't think the zigzag's gonna look really pretty. Okay, so like I said, I didn't add all my meetings. I wanted to leave this one a little bit more blank and see how I liked that this month. I do have another different calendar that has all of my meetings on them. But I think that, okay, I do want to add, I just love this one. I don't want to cover up my links there, so I'm going to add that one in. I do like the little silly bunny Jesus. Easter is for Jesus sticker too. Okay, that dresses it up a little bit better. All right, so there is our April plan with me. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below, and we will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, like this video, and then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. You have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.